Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be explaining GALP principles and its requirements in a simple way. We will go step by step through what GALP is, what LIMS is, its principles, and all the important requirements of. So let's get started. GALP stands for Good Automated Laboratory Practices. It was introduced by the Environmental Protection Agency or EPA in 1989 and later updated in 1995. The main idea behind GALP is to create standard rules for laboratories that use computer systems. In today's laboratories, most data is handled using computer systems instead of manual records. GALP ensures that all this data is accurate, reliable, ISD, consistent. This is very important because lab data is often used for health, safety, and environmental decisions. LIMS stands for Laboratory Information Management System. It is a software that helps laboratories manage their work efficiently. For example, LIMS helps to record test results, track samples, store large amounts of data, generate reports. So, LIMS makes lab work faster and more organized. The main principle of GALP is to maintain high quality data management. This means data should be accurate, data should be secure, data should be easy to trace and verify. In simple terms, GALP ensures that the data can be trusted at every stage. Laboratory management plays a key role. They are responsible for implementing GALP rules, monitoring lab activities, ensuring everything runs smoothly. They make sure that all processes follow proper guidelines. All laboratory staff must be properly trained, skilled, aware of procedures. This is important because even small mistakes by staff can affect data accuracy. This is a special team in the lab. Their job is to check whether procedures are followed correctly, review data quality, identify errors. They ensure that the lab maintains high standards. Raw data is the original data collected from experiments. GLP requires that this data should not be changed, should be stored safely, should be available for review. This helps maintain transparency and trust. The software used in laboratories must be carefully managed. This includes testing the software before use, keeping track of software versions, recording any changes made. Proper documentation ensures that everything is clear and traceable. Data security is very important in laboratories. GALP ensures that data is protected from unauthorized access, data theft, accidental loss. This keeps sensitive information safe. Hardware includes computers, servers, and devices used in the lab. They must be properly installed, regularly checked, maintained properly. This ensures smooth functioning of the system. The LIMS system must be tested regularly. This is done at least once every 2 years, or whenever changes are made. Testing ensures that the system is still working correctly and giving accurate results. All laboratory data and records must be stored for a specific period. This is important because data may be needed in future. It can be checked during audits. It helps maintain accountability. The laboratory environment should be suitable for protecting data. This includes proper storage systems, backup facilities, protection from damage or loss. A good facility ensures data safety. SOPs are written instructions that explain how to perform tasks step by step. They help to maintain consistency, reduce errors, ensure everyone follows the same process. GALP provides a structured way to manage laboratory data using automated systems like LIMS. It ensures that the data is accurate, secure, reliable on some, but following GALP helps laboratories produce high quality and trustworthy results. Thank you for watching. I hope this made the topic easy to understand. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.